Pecan Muffins. Servings. Make 6 large muffins, but if you have small muffin wrappers, it will make more. Ingredients. Make sure to get all of your ingredients out before you start cooking and set them out neatly on your cooking surface. Materials. Make sure to also get all of your materials out and set them out close to your food so you're ready to use them. Directions. Number 1. In a large bowl, mix the flour, baking powder, and salt. Mix until combined. Number 2. In a small bowl, mix the eggs, yogurt, and hot water. Mix until combined. Number 3. Put the wet mixture into the dry mixture and mix well, but not too much, because then when you cook the muffins and take them out, they won't be puffy and airy, they'll be really dense. Number 4. Put the pecans into the mixture and fold it 1 to 3 times. Again, don't fold it too much so that you don't make them dense. Number 5. Place the muffin wrappers in their spots on the muffin tray. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Number 6. Divide the batter evenly between the muffin wrappers. Place them in the oven. Try not to make a mess on all the muffin wrappers so they look nice when they come out. Number 7. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Number 8. Take the muffins out. If they are soft, put them back in for a few minutes until they are. If they aren't soft,